Hi, my name is Celeste Quintero, and thank you for joining me again. Now, today we're going to talk about software testing types. There are several different types of software testing. The first one that you'll be able to find out about is functional testing. So functional testing is basically just to make sure that everything functions properly, whether that's the app or the website. And it's to make sure that, for example, if someone wants to sign up for an account on a website or an application, they're able to use and enter a valid username and password. So this is just to test out and make sure that there's no bugs that need to be fixed. For example, entering, a valid password that could be 8 to 10 characters, and sometimes there are special characters like exclamation points or anything else. So the software tester will just make sure that everything is running smoothly when it comes to creating or signing up an account. The next type of testing is something called UI testing. In other words, is user interface testing. It's to make sure that we are able to test out the app or the website and be able to see what is it that our customers are going to be seeing. Are they going to be seeing a menu tab? Are they going to be seeing a contact us tab? And everything else that goes along with the requirements that the app itself needs. The next type of testing is UAT testing, or user acceptance testing. So basically, the people who are going to be doing this type of testing is the customers and the end users themselves. All the end users means is that these are going to be the people who are going to be using the app or the website to maybe access the business that it is that the website is for. And then moving on to the next type of testing is accessibility testing. This type of testing is very important nowadays for all companies and businesses to use. With the accessibility testing, all that means is that they're checking to see if anyone with disabilities are able to access the menu page, for example. And do they have functions such as text-to-speech or any of the other types of accessibility that sometimes businesses and companies really need. It's just to make sure that everyone has a smooth time trying to order from the website or have the contact us page by having something like text-to-speech. The next type of testing is ad hoc testing. What that basically means is that it's random testing. It's randomly testing out the company's app or website, clicking on several different functions and seeing if the website is able to handle random clicks, just to make sure that it's going to run smoothly and that it's not going to shut itself down because the system is overwhelmed. Now, the next testing is called Blackbox testing. With Blackbox testing, all that means is that, think of it almost like Blackbox is basically not being able to see what's behind the scenes. It's not very transparent. So the testers, they're only going to be testing to see if there's any bugs or anything that needs to be fixed, and then sending it to developers. So they have no idea what's with the coding, what type of language coding it is. So basically it's just trying out the website, seeing if it works properly, but not having any idea of the coding itself. Now, the other type of testing that goes against black box testing, which is the complete opposite, is white box testing. With white box testing, the software testers are able to test out the app or the website, but actually have an idea, have an idea of what goes in, what kind of coding goes in, and all the background information that goes along with the software. So that is basically an overview of the different types of testing, and I hope it helped.